Hello guys, welcome back to another haul, you guys. By the way, if I look rough, lately I've just been looking really rough. I need a face mask, basically. And also I just want to mention, if you hear any noise in the background, the kids are like drawing craft stuff, like seriously, on the table. Other youngest boys are like, the baby's playing with a car. It's just so nice. I've never seen him roll a car like that. Yeah, it's so nice. But yeah, if you hear noise in the background, there's 4 boys in this room, so I apologise beforehand. Now, I've got a homeware haul today, and it's actually a mini homeware haul. And we're going to start off with TK Maxx and Poundland combined together. Basically, I picked up in Poundland, I picked up this auto spray paint. You guys know I use this in a lot of my like DIYs where I need to spray paint. You get this in grey, black and white. I wanted to spray paint in my vase. Again, I've got this vase from Poundland, but I've had it for like 2 years. This is the vase, right? Now, if I bring it close, I've spray painted it white, you guys. It was a grey, ashy type of like shade. Like, I've had it as a centerpiece, and I used to put it as a centerpiece for these rose flowers. And these I got from Wilko. Again, possibly last year. And basically I got really tired of the grey tone. I was like, it's a centerpiece in the kitchen, it's not doing anything. Why are you there? Why are you there and you're not even making the table look pretty? I decided to take the vase and spray paint it. And so with the TK Maxx hibiscus, if that's what they call it, right, you can see, right, you see, it's not even in the vase. That's really nice, right? Really nice. Originally I was just going to put this in it, but then with these flowers that originally were in the vase, I had an idea. Give me a few seconds. Right, yeah, let me just get myself together. This, by the way, is $2.99 in TK Maxx. These rose flowers, I literally didn't know what I was going to do with them, but then something just told me pull it back in. Right, you know, arrange it. Let me arrange it. You see that? It's really nice. It looks so pretty. It looks really nice in the kitchen. It's so nice. So in Poundstrecher, right, I went into Poundstrecher yesterday. I was supposed to go and get bin bags in Poundstrecher, but then I forgot. I was just walking around the store and I was like, why am I in here? Seriously, I was like, why am I here though? Why am I here? I forgot I was supposed to get bin bags. Because the bin bags in Poundstrecher are really strong. Just letting you know. So in Poundstrecher I ended up picking up this. A bath mat. This looks nice. You know what it looks like? Fenty. Is it Fendi? Fendi, right? It looks like, you know the design of Fendi, right? The expensive fashion brand, basically. Yeah, Fendi, the clothing brand. Basically, yeah. It looks like that, right? I've got this, and you get like this one as well. This was $4.99 in Poundstrecher. I was $6.99 down to $4.99. Now, originally my bath mat that I got from Poundstrecher last time, I didn't read it, but apparently you can't wash that in a washing machine. I still put it in a washing machine. Yeah, I can't put that in a washing machine. Oh my days, you can't. I had to put it outside to dry, and then I threw it away. I was like, there's no point of you being in here. Basically, with this one, you can wash it. You can hand wash it if you want to as well. But you can put this in the washing machine. I'm a mum of 5. Nobody's got time to wash in the bath mat by hand. The reason why I got a red one is because upstairs, my soap dispenser in my bathroom upstairs is red that I got from H&M. Because it's red, I was looking for like a bath mat that is red. I literally walked into the store, like not even like, literally I think it was 20 seconds. Yeah, 20 seconds. I thought $4.99. Have they got red? Look around. They got red. I really like it. It looks really like, yeah. It looks expensive. That's the word. It looks expensive. Also, I picked up this cutlery set. I got these grey ones. $1.99 for like a whole set. right? And I've got grey ones because the theme I'm going with, like, plates in my kitchen is white, pink and grey. Lastly, from H&M, I haven't picked this up yet, but they sent me a message today saying my order's ready to collect in store. I like collecting my orders in store. They're driving me nuts. Can't find your door, I can't find your door. And then parcel goes back to the depot and it's like, it's too much. Yeah, just send it to the store because you have got no excuse saying you can't find the store. So I picked up another one of these right here. You guys, I don't know if the haul's gone up yet, because I filmed a bunch of videos, and then I had like a week and a half where I was like, I just can't sit down next to the computer and edit. I've just been feeling unwell, and you can probably see from my face. I ordered more of these, right? The way I see it, that video will go up before this video. I've ordered more of these cushion covers that I got from H&M. These were £5 each, so I've ordered 2 more for the other sofa. I absolutely love this. They were sold out on the H&M store, and then like yesterday morning I was like, let me try it again. I'm telling you guys, when I said it was only a few left, I put it in the basket. Yeah, I brought it. Yeah, so it's in the store for me to collect. And also I bought some clothes for the kids that I've got to collect as well. So I'm heading tomorrow to get it, but these ones I showed you are the ones that I already originally brought. So I'm not technically lying, because yeah, I'm not lying, seriously, I brought more. So I hope you guys enjoyed the home haul. I know it's only a mini haul, but again, great bargains, really easy, simple upcycle. That just looks, wouldn't you just want that on your window? And then everyone goes past and they're like, oh, that's a nice flower. A vase like this just makes your home look like a fabulous place. Like, people, they're barely seen inside, but they're like, you know what, you can know a lot by someone's flower arrangement. I will see you guys on my next video. Someone's crying, I've got to go, he needs a feed. Take care, guys.